Okay, I'm gonna do a quick video on how I reload my shotgun shell. As you can see, this is a spent shell. First step is to put the resizer on and push out the old primer and resize the brass. Next, you'll take a new primer, push that in, get it started. The next step, takes the resizer off, pushes the primer in. I'm using about 16.5 grains of this Winchester WS ball. I use this Lee powder charge, dumps the charge. The next step, I'm using some Winchester AA replacement wads. Push the wad in. I have a 7/8 ounce cup in there that drops 7/8 of using 7.5 lead shot. Next, I'll start the crimp process. Kind of just starts the crimp. And finally, final form. That's about it.